Hi guys, a very good afternoon. Masquera say. So let us talk about a ZANU-PF big wig, possibly an MP, was involved in an accident. Vachenda ku Independence. I think they were going to Buera, and they wanted to travel through Harare. Then vobva vazoti Chivu kana kuti vote Murambinda, then vobva vaenda ku Independence. So it's very important Team Zimbabwe kuti tione kuti ndezvipi zvakanyatsoitika. This is a senior ZANU-PF person in the Midlands province, and he was traveling allegedly at 190 kilometers per hour. And this is something Paul Mchengwan says reckless driving. How can one travel at 190 kilometers per hour in a two-way single lane? The roads don't have lights, and you don't know what is 100 meters from your locations. 190 kilometers per hour, that is approximately 53 meters per second. Do you realize how fast that is? Drive safe. So we need to take a look onto the alleged videos, but before we do so, let us take a look onto the photos which are involved. This is one of the photos. This is the guy, and that is the vehicle that you see behind him, and this is the wreckage of the vehicle. And I believe this is the guy uyo akapotiridzwa neZambia ari kusadiri kuno. Okay, and this is the vehicle. So I was just trying to take a look on the shoes he's wearing right there. It seems as if this is the same. Okay, it said Team Zimbabwe kuti we lost a life simply because of a road accident caused by recklessness. So let us take a look onto this video and see. So I think you have seen the video, Team Zimbabwe. Just imagine kuti uri travel at that is 190 kilometers per hour, and uri road idzedzidzi, you'd see kuti yes, although if you take a look in between Kadoma and is it Kadoma and Chegutu, maybe if that was between Kadoma and Chegutu, it was going to be better. But in between Kwekwe and Kadoma, then you cannot guarantee yourself to be safe pa road yoyo because of caves anenge aripo. There are numerous caves there. The only place yandakaona ine safety iri nani is between Kadoma and Chegutu. That is the longest straight road yatinayo muno muZimbabwe yekuti it connects city to city uri on a straight road. So it said Team Zimbabwe that we lost lives. 3 lives were lost there, and we have this guy, he's dead, and I think he's an MP if I'm not mistaken. I will try to find the name, but this is the wreckage of the car. It shows kuti guys, motikari yakaspina several times. Yaimhanya motikari, yaimhanya. Any mistake, iwo wakabata phone uri kurecorda dashboard rako at 190 kilometers per hour usiku. Just imagine how reckless that was. It can't be kuti unengori a normal driver kana uchidaro. It said Team Zimbabwe ndo zvazviri, upenyu hwakarasika. Other 3 people who were involved vana chavakatadza, vana chavakapara, and vamwe vakakuvara 1, and the other 2 perished together with this guy. So it said we'll continue to watch and see kuti zvinhu zvacho zvinombofambiswa sei, and may the souls of those who perished rest in peace. So let us take a look on some comments. Okay, my network is denying me access to some comments right here. Nasindapinda mapokopoko, so my network is bad, but we are trying to balance kuti tinge tichikupai